And some breaking news coming in. Supreme Court is tomorrow going to hear the appeal filed by Tamil Nadu government challenging Madras High Court's order directing a CBI probe into the death of 17-year-old student amid allegations that the girl was forced to take extreme step of suicide owing to pressure from her school to convert to Christianity. So this is the latest that we are getting in right now. Very important day tomorrow when Supreme Court is going to hear Tamil Nadu government's appeal. And just to remind our viewers that Tamil Nadu government actually challenged the transfer of probe in this entire case to the CBI. Remember, this particular case pertains to the suicide of a 17-year-old girl. And there are allegations that the girl was forced to take this extreme step because of the pressure she was facing to convert her religion to Christianity. And that pressure was coming from her school. Let me go across to Harish for more details on this. So Harish, very, very crucial day for the Stalin government tomorrow in the Apex Court.
Yes, that's right. A two-judge bench of Justices Sanjiv, Khanna and Bela M. Trivedi of the Supreme Court will tomorrow hear the appeal filed by Tamil Nadu government challenging the Madras High Court Madurai bench order, which had transferred the probe into Lavanya death case to the CBI from the state police. Remember, there was allegations that the girl was forced to take extreme step owing to pressure from her school to convert to Christianity. Madras High Court had significantly observed that right from the stage of lodging of FIR, Superintendent of Police wanted to silence any discussion regarding conversion angle. High Court had also criticized the press statement of SP, ruling out conversion angle, and said the official had jumped to a conclusion. High Court also noted that State Education Minister and two other high-ranking ministers issued public statements exonerating the school management. So, in the grounds of appeal, the state has said in its appeal that the DJP, that detailed investigation was being carried out into all angles, and it was proceeding in the right direction and right earnest. And mere statement by a minister and SP can't be a ground to transfer the probe to CBI. The court's order, in fact, had amounted to interference with the probe. It also said that case was being politicized and communalized by certain vested interests, and maintained that the investigation was going on in the right track. It also said that Muthuvel, who took the video of statement of the girl that was not cooperating with the investigation, and the state also pointed out that the school management which intervened in the case had dismissed the conversion angles, and the school management has submitted that majority of its students are Hindus and there have been no complaints of conversion against the school. And it also quoted the school management to say that the bogey of conversion was thrown to shield the real culprits, and alluded that the girl was facing problems at her house. So remember, High Court had made very significant remarks like there is nothing inherent improbable in the allegation that there was an attempt at conversion. It could be true or false, and the matter called for an investigation and not outright rejection. And saying so, the High Court had transferred the probe to CBI. So tomorrow, all eyes on Supreme Court. We'll have to wait and watch whether the Supreme Court issues notice to the father of the girl, who was a petitioner before the High Court, in the appeal filed by the state government.
Harish, thank you so much for getting us all those details.